guys, so today.
Hey guys,
Today's
today
we're going to play the impossible quiz. Okay, that's it. So have this. So, how many holes in the pillow? One, two, three, and then four. So there's four in a pillow. Can a matchbox? No. Can I guess? What does that say? Oh, we did backwards. Answer this question. Answer this. Wait, I don't think that was just guess. So. Don't show your face!
I'm your baby brother, okay?
You're not a baby, you're in 5. And you're in key stage 1.
That's my name. My name is not. Then when it's again, it's Torch. Got ya. Hey, 2, 3.
Okay, because I don't know anything.
Yeah, we know how to paint. Ready?
Okay, watch carefully.
Watch carefully, that's right.
Lives.
Yeah, live.
She polish.
Yeah, she polish. Yeah, Sophia.
Abundance.
And Poppy.
Don't touch the green. Yeah, sure. Touching the green. Look, I'm touching the green. Look, I'm touching the green.
Yeah, we touched the green now.
Woof, woof, woof. Okay, so let's try these.
Singing bowl.
I think this one goes
24.
I would normally not even try to
24, guys. I'm trying to guess which number goes into it. Yeah, told you guys.
Let's just skip this, hey?
Yeah, hey. H, B, G, F.
Oh, I'm gonna play a different game, yeah?
Yeah. H,
So, what do you play?
A, G,
Oh, you guys, I'll tell you
B,
what I used to record.
F,
Yeah?
E,
How
A,
much
B.
longer can I record? 11 minutes.
Yes.
I might have to cut this short, guys. But not
Yeah.
but might.
Yeah, guys.
They can't
Yeah, that was so crunchy. Whoa! You calves, guys!
Okay, that's how he looks like, guys.
Of course, guys. This is my video. Sometimes I do videos. Whoa!
Oh yeah, guys, can I show you a trick? It's my rubiks cube. There it is. Here. So,
Look at your video.
I am gonna mix this up. You know
Yeah.
what? Let's not do a gaming video today, eh? Let's just do this. Okay. So
Yeah.
as you can see, I'm pretty sure the camera's really bad.
I'll have my one.
Yeah, he can't solve it. Also, I'm gonna mix this up. Make it look good. There we go. So as you see, it's all mixed up, okay? So now I'm just gonna memorize it. Okay, memorize one go.
Nearly solved. I nearly solved.
Oh, I have two. Okay, I'm gonna mix them. Okay.
Three yellows left. 3 yellows left.
Two on that beat. Two on that beat. Two on that beat. Two on that beat.
Cheat on my beat. Cheat on my beat. Cheat on my beat.
Yeah.
Cheat on my beat. Cheat on my beat. Cheat on my beat. Guys, this is the
Okay.
Why you done?
They would stop.
I'm showing this to camera. That way done. Guys, don't worry. I'm gonna be right with you. Woo, look at that thing. With my
Alright, when I solve this one, it's time to go, okay?
I'm gonna get my arm on fingers.
Okay. Bye guys, this is the end of the video. If you
Yeah.